pony girl. Welcome to the resort. Pull the tassel. Let's change Bubbles' hairstyle. First, let's make a hair mask. Pour some oil, please. Add honey. Great! Now brush it. Great! Now dry her coat. Choose the color you like and paint her. When you're done, click the photo button. Welcome to the resort. Hey, my hooves look bad. Can you help me? First, brush off the dirt. Now let's do a manicure. Fill the bowl with water. Put Kango fish in the water. Pour some rose oil. Pour some bubble bath. Pop the bubbles. Trim excess hoof wall. Polish it. Choose the color you like and paint it. Look much better now. Add some shiny crystals and some flowers. Yay! Good job! My hooves look amazing. Thank you. Welcome to the resort. Dress up Cherry the way you like. Welcome to the resort! Oh, I wish I had a necklace like this. First, add some charcoal. Put the bowl above the fire. Great! Now we need some silver. Wait until it melts. Fill the form, please. Now, cool it down. Take a hammer and hit it. Polish it to make it shiny. Let's drill the hole. Choose the color you like and paint it. Add some shiny crystals. Good job! It looks amazing! Add the feathers. Wow! You made the coolest necklace! Thank you! Welcome to the resort! Help Wendy to fly again! Oh no! Look at those spots! Great! Apply the plasters! Grab the wand and do some magic! You're doing great! Now remove old feathers and add new ones. Now use your magic wand. Very good! Now let's use a hair dryer. Yay! Good job! Now Wendy can fly again. Choose the color Wendy wants and paint the rainbow. Very good! Now paint it with red. Just a few more colors left. Get ready for a ride. Tap and hold to go up. Release to go down. You did a great job! It's getting harder. Collect apples and avoid lightning. It's getting harder. Collect apples and avoid lightning. You did it! Welcome to the resort! Hello! Let's first add some sugar. Pour a little bit of syrup. Great! Now turn it on. Take a stick and wrap it. Yay! Great! Cotton candy is done. Now shake and spray it. Well done! It tastes and looks amazing! Hello! First, we need some dough. Good job! Now, roll out the dough smoothly. Cut out the cookies with cutters. Great! Put the flower-shaped cookies into a baking tin. Now, the heart-shaped ones. Which ones look like a star? Let the sun cook them. Cookies are done. Put them on a stick. Top cookies with frosting. Very good. Now add some sprinkles. Well done! All the cookies look amazing! Now spray whipped cream. Good job! Cookies taste delicious! Hello! Welcome to the resort! This is Crystal. Get her ready for the bath! Tap those fluffy creatures!
Woo! Yeah! Woo! 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 Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Woo!
Now take care of Crystal's teeth. Brush your teeth, please. Great! Now wipe it. Pour some water. It's time to take a bath. Sprinkle some petals, please. Pour some bubble bath. Pop the bubbles. You're doing great. Use the sponge to bathe her. Rinse it. Great! Now dry her coat. Very good. Now let's use a hairdryer. Use the soft brush. Choose the color you like and paint her. When you're done, click the photo button. Now color the mane and the tail. To finish, click the photo button. Good job! Crystal looks amazing!